Hello, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Joe. I own the Vug Local Jeweler in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today I'm going to show you how to size a ring up professionally. You take a basic ring, you take your jeweler saw, a coping saw, cut the ring in half. This ring was a 7.5. You slide it up the mandrel to, let's say we're going to size it to a 10. You would put a piece of metal in it, approximately that gap size. Put it in your little vise. You take a piece of silver solder or gold solder, whatever you're sizing, trim off a little piece, maybe put a little flux on the gap, basically with a propane and oxygen or propane acetylene, which most jewelers use. You pick up the piece of solder. Generally have two pieces of solder, one each ready for each side of the gap. Weld that gap shut. Make sure the solder flows all the way through each gap. Quench this in acid, which will basically clean all the fire scale and everything off of the ring. Take a basic file. You want to file around the outside of the ring, across the sides of the ring with a flat file, and then take a half round file and file the inside of the ring, round it back out. Basically, after that, it's ready for polishing.